Hello, my name is Barry Gerber, Vice President of Business Development and Marketing for Longcheer. Longcheer was founded in 2002 and has its history making tablets and mobile devices for brands like Huawei, Motorola, Lenovo, Xiaomi. Most recently, we've developed, along with these brands, the A2, the E Plus for Motorola, the Moto 1. We're also making big investments in different categories to diversify ourselves. The E-Ink tablet for OK for the education industry. Of course, this year we launched the Oculus Go. And then during this show, we announced our partnership with both Google and Qualcomm in the wearable category. This is our 3100 based reference design. It supports heart rate monitor, the latest Google OS Wear. We're pretty proud of the fact that it's 43 millimeters in diameter and about 13 millimeters in thickness. We believe with one module we can address multiple product categories, addressing both male and female, sports, ruggedized, mechanical dial, which isn't supported at the moment but will be. This is our reference design based on Qualcomm's 3100 chipset. It'll have the latest Google OS Wear. eSIM capability, fully connected, supporting one module, PCBA, that can support many different looks and feels and categories. Standalone, 370 milliamp hour battery. The dimensions, roughly 43 millimeters in diameter and 13 millimeters thick. You should see these in the market in Q4 2019. Thank you.